Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the wonderful world of wooden wall art and decorations. Wood adds a touch of natural warmth and texture to any space, and it is surprisingly versatile. Whether you're a rustic farmhouse enthusiast or a modern minimalist, there is a wooden project out there to elevate your walls. Let's kick things off with some budget-friendly DIY options. Wood slices are readily available at craft stores or even free if you have access to folding branches. Sand them smooth, stain them in your favorite color, and create a wall collage. You can arrange them geometrically in a whimsical cluster, or even spell out a word. For a touch of boho chic, grab a few wooden embroidery hoops and view macrame wall hangings in any color or pattern that suits your fancy. This is a fantastic project for beginners and a great way to add some handmade charm. Don't underestimate the power of repurposing. Old pallets are a treasure trove for DIY projects. Disassemble them carefully, sand them down, and use the slats to create signs, shelves, or even a rustic headboard. You can also find beautiful reclaimed wood at salvage yards or online. It already has a unique patina and a history, perfect for adding character to your walls. Wooden wall art for different styles. Rustic farmhouse. Shiplap walls. Create that classic farmhouse charm by installing horizontal shiplap boards on an accent wall. Paint them white for a bright and airy feel, or stain them a warm brown for a more rustic touch. Wooden signs. Handcrafted wooden signs with inspirational quotes or farmhouse sayings add instant warmth and personality. Modern minimalist. Wood panels. Large, simple wood panels with clean lines create a calming and sophisticated backdrop. You can play with different wood tones or textures for added interest. Geometric wood art. Utilize wooden pieces cut into geometric shapes like hexagons or triangles to create a modern and eye-catching wall display. Paint them in bold colors or keep them natural. Boho chic. Macrame wall hangings. As mentioned earlier, macrame wall hangings made with natural colored rope and wood elements are a perfect fit for a boho vibe. Wooden dream catchers. Create dream catchers using wooden hoops, yarns, and feathers. Wooden wall sculptures and wall hangings. Looking for something unique? There is a world of wooden sculptures and wall hangings waiting to be discovered. Wood carvings. Intricate wood carvings depicting animals, nature scenes, or abstract patterns add a touch of artistry and dimension to your walls. Mandala wall hangings. Wooden mandalas with layered pieces of intricate designs create a calming and meditative atmosphere. Lighting up your walls. Wood can be beautifully combined with lighting for a truly stunning effect. Wooden sconces. Sconces made from reclaimed wood or modern wood panels add a warm glow and visual interest while serving a functional purpose. backlit wood panels create a dramatic effect by backlit wooden panels with LED strips. This works well for showcasing artwork, photographs, or even plants mounted on the wood. When displaying wooden wall art, consider your space. Think about skill and balance. Play with texture and color. And hanging techniques is also important. Wooden wall art can be found at local craft fairs and art markets or online marketplaces. Also, DIY stores and craft stores, survey shops, and reclamation stores. So there you have it. Wooden wall art and decorations are a fantastic way to add warmth and texture. They offer endless possibilities for DIY projects. So don't be afraid to experiment and have fun. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for joining me today and happy decorating!